there's nothing to say. Bloody magnificent. G'day. So I'm going to do a Kansky roll. I'm going to make a Kansky roll. Cheese Kansky. Everyone loves Kanskys. So I'm going to put them in the air fryer. Heat up the rolls, or cook the rolls in the air fryer, a bit of cheese and all that, and then we'll give it a taste. So I don't think you're really cooking the Kanskys, you're just heating them up. So it's not really cooking, but don't matter. Put them in. I reckon we go 190, 10 minutes. Want to put a bit of colour on them maybe, but we'll see what happens. So I think we better have a look, because I can hear it spitting, and so it's probably done. 10 minutes is probably too much, so too long. So we'll have a look. Yeah, I think they're done. They look good. So I just want to crisp up the rolls a bit. I'm just going to throw them in there. Just put them on top. These rolls are the ham and cheese from Woolworths. I thought they'll go good with the Kansky. Put them in for a couple of minutes. Sorry, these are bacon and cheese rolls, not ham and cheese. Yeah, they're all right. I might put them in for a little bit longer, actually. Crisp them right up. Let's put them in. Crisp inside there. Go 200. We'll only do them for a couple of minutes. I'm not going to cook them for 14 minutes. So while they're in there, we'll cut them in half. Nice and juicy. They're good. Cut them that way so they fit on the roll. I reckon we'll put a bit of cheese on top. Bit of plastic cheese. It's good, this cheese. It melts good. Put it back in for a minute. Melt her up a bit. Then we'll put a bit of coleslaw on it. And that's it, we're done. Now, let's have a look, see if the cheese is melted. Yeah, that's good. Turn that off. Oh, there we go. Got the Kranskys in there. Melted cheese. I made a bit of coleslaw. I reckon put a bit of coleslaw on it. Not going to be able to bloody get my mouth around it. Put the lid on. There we go. Look pretty good. All right, let's have a taste. What can I say? There's nothing to say. Bloody magnificent. I'll see you on the next one.